Hey guys, welcome to a new unboxing on my channel. Today I got two parcels for you, for me, for all. And I will start with that one. I have about 10 or 12 parcels laying around because I have no time for doing these videos. But now I have some spare time, and that's why I'm doing two at one time. Because normally I want to give the people the shout out who sent it to me. So I like it when it's one package in one video that I can focus on one person. But today we got two. I will open them and I will start with this one. And it's pretty nice because my birthday is right around the corner at the end of October. So I can fill my fridge a little bit before that. I got this package from Andrei Mayorov from Russia. And if you follow my YouTube channel, you may know which can that could be, which can I was missing. So we have a package inside a package. Always a good sign. I don't care how much garbage and stuff is around, at least the can is really good protected. So that's really good. And we got, like last time, maybe you remember that, a pretty nice postcard from St. Petersburg. Yes, St. Petersburg, or Stalingrad, I think was that before. And here we got the full can. It's right here. You saw it here. It was, yes, it was here. It's a Monster Energy. Probably from Russia. And it's the Black Monster Chaos. You see right. Now I got that complete with the original and the Assault. And we go on to that little package. I got that from my friend David Gorno from Bratislava in Slovakia. He have Instagram page, Dave's Energy Collection. You should check him out. And I get always pretty nice cans from him. I can't really believe how long these packages are sitting here. I will get them first out and then we will open them together. If I can do it without make a total mess in my room. Looks good. Looks good. And honestly, I didn't remember what was inside before I opened it. And yeah, now we will find out together. We will start with this one. I'm pretty sure that's all the same cans. And that could mean trading. And it's the Rockstar Flying Energy Tour cans from Slovakia and the Czech Republic. They are bottom empty, gold top, and I'm pretty sure the others are just the same. Pretty good packed. Yes, that's the same as well. And we go on, opening them. Damn. Good packed, good packed. And sticky. Yes, the same. And yeah, it's the same. But I will open it for you. All the same. 4 ones, 1 for me, and the others 4 possible trades in the future. So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you, and you, and you, and you, and you right here behind in my next video. Goodbye.